This guide explains how to turn off app notifications on your phone so you can reduce distractions and stay focused throughout the day. Step 1. Go to your phone's home screen and tap the Settings app gear icon. This is where all system controls are managed. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. This section controls how alerts appear on your device. Step 3. Select App Notifications or See All Apps depending on your phone model. This will show a list of installed apps. Step 4. Scroll through the list and tap on the specific app you want to mute, such as Facebook, Instagram, or WhatsApp. Step 5. Switch off the toggle for notifications. This will stop pop-ups, sounds, and banner alerts from that app. Extra details. You can also customize notifications instead of fully turning them off. For example, you may disable only sound but keep banners. On some Android phones, long pressing an app icon also gives a shortcut to notification settings. Final note: turning off unnecessary notifications helps improve concentration, saves battery life, and keeps your phone experience cleaner and more organized.